Is Xiaomi 7Mi Dashcam Pro still the best budget dashcam after 6 months? A big yes. With just $50 in price, you can't go wrong with it. Enjoy clear and sharp image quality out of its high-definition 1944p resolution. 4.97 out of 5 stars at Banggood. A huge improvement when compared to previous generation 7Mi dashcam with Full HD sensor. The newer Sony IMX335 sensor does a better job no matter in day and night. Everything is clearer, no doubt. It is even better than a bit more expensive Xiaomi Mi 1S dashcam with Sony IMX307 Starvis CMOS sensor, thanks to WDR support for clear and vibrant image. As you can see, car plate numbers can be seen clearly during the day and night. Yes, the bucking mode recording is great. It will start to record when there is an impact. No external wiring is needed by using built-in battery. View all the recorded video directly with 7Mi Dashcam Pro or through wireless on your mobile phone with bigger screen. Looking for a budget yet performing dashcam? Wait no more and get yourself a 7Mi Pro at Banggood now. You will like it as I do. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.